Logging the foods you eat is a great way to track your progress and stay on top of your nutrition goals. As you log your meals, your entries are reflected on the caloric intake and activity graph, giving you an easy way to see how your daily choices compare with your plan. Let's start by reviewing your My Menu for the day. You'll see your planned calorie intake displayed at the top. In this example, the plan provides 2,362 calories. This number will automatically update as you make changes to your menu. To keep your food log as accurate as possible, update any serving sizes before logging your meals. Click the pencil icon to make changes. If you enjoyed an extra half serving of the veggie wrap, simply use the plus button to increase the serving amount, then click Save. Next, add any foods that weren't already included in your menu. In this example, we'll add a Honeycrisp apple that was eaten as an afternoon snack. Begin by clicking Add Item. To make searching easier, you can filter by recipes or foods. Type apple in the search box, then scroll through the results or continue narrowing your search by adding more descriptive words. Once you find the item you ate, select it, adjust the serving size if needed, and click Add Item. Before logging your foods, it's helpful to become familiar with the caloric intake and activity graph. Simply click the information icon to learn what each color, line, and bar represents. The black dashed line represents your daily caloric target, which is calculated using your profile, weight, and activity information. In this example, Sunday's calorie target is 1,701 calories. The gray shaded bar shows your planned caloric intake based on your My Menu. It should be very close to your caloric target if you made little or no edits. If you've made changes, like having an additional half serving of the veggie wrap and an apple for your afternoon snack, you'll see your planned caloric intake has been adjusted accordingly in the donut chart from the original amount of 2,362. The gray outline is the calories needed to maintain your current weight. If you checked Maintain Current Weight in the profile setting, this gray line will be the same height as your caloric target, the gray dashed line. In this example, I want to lose weight, so the calories in my menu is below the gray outline. Now you're ready to log your meals. Simply check the box next to each food you ate, or click Log All if everything on your menu was eaten. As you log foods, you'll see the bar fill with green diagonal lines, showing your total calories consumed. If your calories go above your target, the bar changes to orange. If you exceed the calories needed to maintain your current weight, it turns red. Your total calories consumed are always displayed at the bottom of the bar for quick reference. You'll also find a helpful legend below the graph that explains each color and line. If you'd like a cleaner view, you can hide the legend at any time. At the top of the graph, you'll see an estimate of your weekly weight loss or gain based on the calories you've logged. If you only log 3 of 7 days, for example, then the calculation will only include those 3 days. The more consistently you log your meals, the more accurate this estimate becomes. For the best picture of your progress, try to log your food each day. You can view all of your logged entries anytime on the History page.